Afternoon, ladies and gents. Rob Causer here, MotoLabDirtBikes.com. Just wanted to showcase a job that we just completed here for our friend and customer Jane. She came to us with this brand new 250 EXC F, and with a shorter inseam, it's just super difficult, not even comfortable to ride the thing. So, what we did is went ahead and lowered it front and rear internally 3 inches, and modified the stock kickstand since there is no aftermarket support for 3+ inches. So what we get is a really nice package that both front and rear is complemented internally so that we retain all the factory mounting points and geometry and handling. So right now what we'll do is I got the sag tool set up here so you could see a real world apples kind of setup. So free sag is looking like it's 25. And then what I'll do is, since we have lowered it, is figured out what sag we need to run. So how you figure that out is take the total travel, subtract the amount of travel that we removed, so in this case it would be 3 inches, and then multiply that by 25.4 to get millimeters. And then what we'll do is actually do 35% of that, so times 0.35. In this case it's going to be 80 millimeters. So what we'll do is just hop on. So I'm about 5'9", about 155 or so. And what we're going to do is just, so I'm at 80 to 83, depending upon where I'm at on the bike. So I'm hoping that you could see my foot on the ground, and I'm darn near flat-footed on both feet. So hope that really gives you a nice real-world apples-to-apples comparison here. There aren't any tricks or anything like that. This is just full-on straightforward and trying to inform you to help make your best decision when it comes to selecting a lowering amount. And if you're not sure, the best way to gauge it is if you're within the spec of the stock springs, meaning you're 187 max. What you could do is put blocks of wood under your feet until you find your comfort zone, and that'll allow you to get a better idea of what the overall outcome is going to be whenever you get your suspension back. So everything's all good to go here. Thanks so much for joining us, and if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call 928-362-1486 or email us at info@motolabdirtbikes.com. Thanks. Have a great week out there.